We talk a lot about the 4 coffee brewing basics. We talk about different brewing methods. We geek out on water chemistry and on grinders. You know what? I don't want you to do any of that stuff. I'm Eric. This is the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life. The Mug Life chose me. Every hobby, every interest has that group of very special people who just dive into the deep end and they want to learn everything they can about it. I remember one time watching a TV cooking show, and it was all about homemade tortillas. At the beginning of it, when I first saw it, I thought, well, that's pretty cool. Tortillas are really versatile. I eat them a lot, and if you fry them, you have chips, and chips and guac are God's gift to the culinary universe. Maybe I can learn how to make millions of tortillas at home and enjoy them without going to the store. And I remember about halfway through thinking, whoa, that's way too much work. I'll just go to the store and get some. We're coffee nerds. This is what I do every day for hours a day. I delve into the deepest recesses of knowledge and technique to brew amazing coffee. Maybe you're that person watching this. Maybe you're that person watching this channel thinking, whoa, that's way too much work. Statistically, there's a pretty good chance that you're the person who just wants a good cup of coffee. Something you can enjoy without too much hassle, something you can serve your friends while they're over for dinner and they all go, oh wow, this is really good coffee. You don't want to be all pretentious about it, and you definitely don't have the time or possibly, quite honestly, maybe even the money to spend to go deep into the weeds on coffee. And you know what? That's okay. Here's what you need to do. Enjoy brewing your coffee. Whatever that means to you, do exactly the amount of work brewing your coffee that makes you enjoy that cup of coffee. Occasionally I have people who will actually blush and look down when I ask them if they need their coffee pre-ground. Or they'll say, oh, I just have a really old drip coffee pot. You know what? That's fine. You don't need to have a home espresso setup in order to enjoy brewing coffee. If you just want to push a button and have a good cup of coffee come out and you enjoy that with a minimal of hassle, then do it. And enjoy your coffee. If you really enjoy the time and the craft and the work that goes into a pour over, then do that. Maybe if you're feeling dangerous one weekend and you're wandering through that weird aisle in the grocery store that's got like 400 different types of water, pick up one of the filtered waters and bring it home and brew coffee with it and see if it makes a difference and if it makes your coffee more enjoyable. Maybe when you have a free Sunday morning, dig out that old French press out of the back of the cabinet and give it a try and see if you enjoy that cup of coffee. But every other day, if you're brewing in the old Mr. Coffee and you enjoy it, that's great. Watch this channel and subscribe and learn. But learning about coffee doesn't mean you actually have to do anything about coffee. You can do like I did when I watched the tortilla cooking show. I said, whoa, that's way too much work. Maybe someday when I have a whole bunch of time on my hands and I have nothing else to do, I'll work on making tortillas at home and maybe I'll enjoy that. But right now, I'm going to go to the grocery store and get tortillas. You know what coffee is? It's a drink. It's a drink we usually drink in the morning because we need it, because it's a natural stimulant. Put exactly the amount of effort into your coffee that makes it enjoyable for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep serving coffee that you enjoy. So after shooting yesterday's video, I had just one thing I wanted to follow up on. Let's be perfectly honest. Coffee should be enjoyable. You should make what you want. But you know what? If you're brewing your coffee in a Keurig, no.